Can you guess?
Sir,
It was related to
cuboid and cube.
word and cube. That's wonderful. Uh, which is the special thing in this 12.1 exercise? Do you see
Solids.
solids in the questions?
The questions.
You told me you respond. First question is cube and cuboid. Okay, my dears. Radhika, so please tell me the formula of volume of cube. You respond the wrong formula, but you remember the question. Whatever the formula tell me, it is a wrong formula, my dear. Volume of cube is not 1 2 upon 3 pi r cube. It is a cube. Okay. It is a question mark. I am just giving you opportunity to appearing in the examination. So what is the possibility you are doing the questions all
Sir, I consider sphere instead of cube.
so
That's
why are you
why
consider
I
you have
misunderstood.
a my dear problem in your psychological problems? It is not a sphere formula. Who teach you maths? Never told me, yes, sir, you are teaching me maths. Okay. Which kind of student? Imagination की दुनिया. Imagination. Facing these questions like you are just. Okay. Bacha, which question? Wooden? Medicine capsule diameter is 5 mm.
Sir, you are right, 15 mm.
Wow.
That's why.
कहाँ बेटा? Shruti, you have a, my dear, good eyesight. You have a good nazariya, but you never focusing, my dear, your eyesight. Mannu, come.
5.
Completely liar student. So, use your eyesight. Are you mad? Fearless? आगे से ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए आगे से ऐसा if you are moving somewhere they are not moving so you are not also not moving yes or no come hmm what are you preparing right now We are moving forward, class 10th, all right? Session timing is 4:30, so we has to be on time, all of you. Uh, what is litmus paper?
Sir?
I thought this is a litmus paper. By the way, it is a diagram of which one? So, sabun.
No, sir. Friction
Friction,
acts.
okay. Hey, which kind of carbon compounds we are using as a lubricant?
Lubricant.
Hmm. Freshers.
Sir, brakes.
Brakes. Which kind of carbon compound we are using? Sometimes, do you know? Sometimes, if you literally know the answer of anyone, my dear, sir, it is so difficult to control it, na? Yes or no? Hmm. Hmm. It is not a grace, my dear, for your kind information, for God's sake. Yes. Jelly like structure.
Jelly.
Are Suru, it is a like which kind of compound of carbon, which is a carbon allotrope of carbon, in fact, I want to know. ये किस कार्ब एलोट्रॉप की प्रॉपर्टी है? जैसे मराठी, देयर इज अ डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ मराठी, यस और नो? योर सरनेम सोनू ने, योर सरनेम इज अरक, शेजवाल, different kinds of surname, yes or no? All are the same, but allotrope is allotrope, yes or no? Hmm. Graphite is what? Graphite. It is given here. Not, it is not written over here.
Sir.
Okay. Piyush. चलिए, we are moving forward, guys. This is your copy, Mannu.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes there also the writing writes like that. Matlab like beautiful writing, whatever I get need. But sometimes they write very beautiful writing, more beautiful.
Sir, this is test copy.
Test copy na, to why take it the test copy? Hmm.
Sir,
Mannu is Mannu. What?
sir, done.
Yes.
Sir, done.
Done. Revision done. All chapters.
Sir, all chapters.
So look at the right side of yours. Hmm. How many carbons have in fluorines?
Sir, 60 carbons.
Hardest substance of world on earth, we can say.
Sir, diamond.
Why that? Which things are made diamond are very hard?
Sir,
CBSE 2023 question. Which things makes diamond very hard?
sir, diamond has four atoms. Four
Diamonds have four other carbon atoms.
other carbons.
Okay. Your DPP you preparing what? Uh, stand. Magnetic force.
The force exerted by magnet on another magnetic material is called magnetic force.
Which kind of magnet in the earth have a maximum max to max magnetic field in earth? In my question there is the answer. If you relate the question, so you are connect with us. Figure out hard. Anyone class 10?
So,
Which
could
magnet have maximum magnetic field on the earth? They attracting the
so carbon.
yeah, carbon.
So mag. So could you
So we talks about in earth. How I appreciate you are trying, but it is not a
so
true answer.
electromagnet.
No. Which magnet have highest magnetic field? Highest means highest. Very, very strong. Very strong magnetic field. Hmm.
Oxygen. Sir, ring magnet.
जिंगल आला
Sir, ring.
Sir, atmosphere.
क्या
Sir, atmosphere.
atmosphere not
Sir, ring magnet.
ring magnet. Which kind of ring magnet you saw? Ring magnet bhi sorry, this is a ring magnet.
Sir, sir, his name, sir, E from start E.
Yes, yes, E.
Sir, Earth.
Earth. Gado nalayko getting set. Earth having maximum magnetic field. Sure, Radhika.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Simple question, straightforward answer. What do you mean by cyclone? One more.
cyclone. The spinning system of clouds and rains is called cyclone.
Cyclone. How the cyclone are made themselves? Heavier clouder. Do you know heavier clouder? Lighter clouder.
Sir, but वो lightning
Okay, okay, okay. Okay. So what is thunderstorm?
thunderstorm. When a lighter cloud and a heavier cloud collide each other, then a sound produces is called thunderstorm.
Your parents are your DPP is what is the timing, sir?
Sir, 6 minutes in.
6 minutes in 6.
Sir.
You're literally a genuine student.
Sir.
Genuine English medium student. So 6 minutes 6. So the DPP is what? Preparing the English.
Sir, English is
Done.
Yes, sir.
Hindi,
Sir, Hindi is also done.
Sanskrit.
Yes, sir.
Sanskrit bachcha na, preparing the Sanskrit. Your father is coming.
Sir,
My graphite is less harder than diamond.
yes, we can, sir.
Yes, we can. Oh, sit 6 p.m. Your father is coming.
Sir, sir, अभी तो आपने बोला था कि
I said, my dear, you are just okay. हाँ बेटा, समझ रहे हो?
Sorry, sir.
हाँ, all right, all right.
Sir, because it has 3 atoms.
It has 3 atoms. Which have 3 atoms?
Lubricant.
Lubricant,
नहीं, graphite.
refined sugar,
Sir, graphite.
graphite.
ग्रेफाइट के पास 3 एटम्स इस वजह से वो डायमंड से कम है.
This answer you respond on the basis of
Please, sir, can you repeat the question?
your answer is true. Whatever you respond, it's a true answer.
Sir, it donates one atom to valence shell.
Two valence shell. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If in any students are using, my dear, the potential of their body, my dear, potential of their mental ability, mental brain, only 10%, my dear children. Morning 5 a.m. wake up. Is it 5 a.m. wake up, revision. Second, 7 a.m. tak revision. 7 a.m. 15 minutes, my dear, yoga, pranayam, whatever. It is a, my dear, it is a routine of all these students, my dear, which is scoring, my dear, above than 80%. Getting above than 80%. So then 9 p.m. 8 p.m. Mostly school is, I think, 7 to 8. Mostly schools 8 a.m. Wake up, school. Okay, school. And then comes back, I consider 3 p.m. 3 p.m. they take rest for 1 hour. 4 p.m. classes, 4 to 7. Okay, 4 p.m. 4 p.m. to, I consider 7 p.m. classes. 3 घंटे. Then they comes back their homes, respective their destinations. So I consider 1 hour you taking the, my dear, rest, and you are taking the lunch and taking the dinner and all that things. So hardly I consider you invest the how much timing you are I consider 8:30. 1.5 घंटा. It is, my dear, enough. Are yes or no, my dear? It is enough, no? 7 to 100, 1.5, it is enough. After that, you are just from 8:30 to, देखो कितनी शानदार दिनचर्या थी हमारे बच्चों की. 8:30 बजे से लेकर 11 बजे तक, 11 PM तक स्टडी. और इस पूरे ओवरऑल दिनचर्या में, इस कंप्लीट टाइम टेबल में there is no distraction, no pressure. It is in fact timetable of my dear. It is a my timetable. Whenever I was in class 10, so that time I was follow these table, my dear children. Honestly, I am this time I wake up my dear in सितंबर सितंबर से शुरू कर दिया था उठना, फिर जनवरी तक एग्जामिनेशन तक नहीं थे तब तक उठते थे। ऑनेस्टली बता रहे हैं, बिकॉज इनिशियली तो स्कूल 7:30 बजे का होता था, तो फिर 6 बजे उठना, 6 साढ़े 6 बजे। बट दिस इज माई टाइम टेबल, ये हमारे स्टूडेंट्स का नहीं, हमारी टाइम टेबल है। ओके, और आई एम नॉट स्मार्ट इन द 1990s और 80s। ओके, आई एम वॉज क्लियर माई क्लास 10 मार्डी इन 2019। 6 years. Okay, so this is the, my dear, you execute, my dear, this timetable in your routine. How much your wake up time? Honestly, bindas.
Sir,
क्या?
sir,
1 बजे।
Sir,
8:30। You सोच क्यों रहे हो? ऐसे respond करो। 8:30। 6 a.m. So you are so सर आपके परसेंटेज कितने थे? So definitely I'm telling you, so it is a timetable, okay? और यही टाइम टेबल हमने अपने बच्चों को, I'm just my dear strongly tell them, and they are not only listening it, they are execute, my dear, it. Or look at the result. 85 Rupali, this year Rupali 85, 86, 86% they are getting. Yes or no? Raj, do you know Raj is very weak student? Do you know, my dear children? Raj is not a good student. Raj, like this kind of students, they are never aware about the class. But what is the score of it? 67, 68%, my dear children. First division. Gettings. So the main thing is what, my dear children, please, my dear, अभी आपको सपोर्ट करने माता पिता है, my dear children. मेडिकल इमरजेंसी एंड ऑल दैट थिंग्स कभी आ गई, फैमिली में पेरेंट्स में से किसी एक बंदे को कुछ हो गया, फिर क्या करेंगे आप? क्या करेंगे आप? क्यों क्या करेंगे आप लोग? तो प्लीज यार, बी अवेयर अबाउट इट, माय डियर चिल्ड्रन. इफ any extreme medical emergency, all of you, online and offline, some parents are, my dear, are, and it is a matter very bad, whatever I'm telling you, but it is a true. If any mother and father said you are lost one day, my dear children, so please, my dear, don't play with your parents emotion, don't play with your mother emotion. Be very careful, my dear children. Nobody is yours. Your family is yours. हाँ जी बेटा, मूव करिए आप. Your father is yours. Okay, please.
Yes, we can, sir.
Yes, we can. One more thing I am telling you. Listen, my dear children. Which kind of revision I do? Yes or no? I am telling you which kind of revision I do. Surru and everyone, my dear, Vivek and everyone. Vivek, I do revision like whenever we are, because my all routine, all habits, my dear, is very in the good direction. To be very honest, if you are concerned to anyone, my dear children, about me, you know, my dear, the main thing, if you are moving, let's suppose we are moving in marriage party. Surru, listen, we are moving in marriage party. So what I thought, my trigonometry all formulas revision done रास्ते में पूरा. I'm never like guys like which are always indulge in the different kinds of meaningless discussion. I'm not a part of it. I'm just thinking about what the time I wants to occupy, what kinds of opportunity we have. Because if we are moving any party, any destination, any function of the family celebration, like we have a hardly we have a 1.5 hour my dear, so we utilize my dear towards the studies my dear children. तो उसमें क्या हो रही है, क्या हो रही है, फिजिकली तो हम वहां पर हैं लेकिन मेंटली क्या चल रहा है, हमारा रिवीजन चल रहा है. और आपको पता है, डू यू नो, स्टार्टिंग से ही हम फैमिली में पूरा वर्शिप वाला माहौल है, धार्मिक से लेके सारी चीजें. सो वंस वी आर मूविंग इन द मंगलवार, सो आई एम also moving my dear regularly. I am moving my dear in the Tuesday. There is a Sundarkand organized in my temple. So whenever I was in class 10, so that time whenever I my dear reach the homes, so all formulas, and chemical reactions my dear children, I revise it my dear children. Slowly जाना है. अच्छा, let's suppose जैसे कुछ भूल गए, all right, सब if I am forgetting something, तो वापस आकर कॉपी खोल के तब जाना है मंदिर, मतलब तब हमें कहीं जाना है. तो इस प्रकार की अगर मानसिकता तुम्हारे अंदर भी अगर डेवलप हो जाएगी, तुम्हें रिवीजन करने के लिए, तुम्हें आगे बढ़ने से कोई भी नहीं रोक सकता माय डियर चिल्ड्रन. बट आपको ऐसा खुद को बनाना पड़ेगा. और जानते कौन आपकी हेल्प करेगा? आप खुद अपनी हेल्प करोगे. ओके, टॉपर किसी दूसरे प्लेनेट से नहीं आते हैं. Toppers are my dear make themselves my dear children with these kind of special habits my dear children. You utilize. If I have discussion my friend, तो उनके उससे हम डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं, लेकिन डिस्कशन करते करते सब एक एक इक्वेशन दिमाग में आ रही है. अच्छा, which kind of formula are applied in chapter number 4? The name is quadratic equation chapter. Determinant formula less than 0. ठीक है. अच्छा, समटाइम्स क्या होता था, समटाइम्स माय फ्रेंड आर टोल्ड मी, क्या बड़बड़ाता है, मतलब समटाइम्स क्या होता था कि जब फॉर्मुलेज यू आर रिमाइंडेड रिवीजन करते हो तो फ्रेंड्स लोग बोलते थे क्या डिस्कशन बड़बड़ करता रहता है, बात तो करता नहीं है ऐसा ऐसा. सो इन सबको आपको अवॉइड करना पड़ेगा माय डियर चिल्ड्रंस. ओके, अदरवाइज यू आर नॉट गेटिंग द माय डियर 80+% माय डियर चिल्ड्रंस. Your what is your dream? Become jobs in railways, I think, na? Railways, big dream. Your doctor, you IAS officer. So IAS officer point of view, so the mathematics science is very important and social science is important, my dear children. Language and science and maths. UPSC examination, science plays and maths plays very important role. This is the my dear dincharya of your Guruji, of your Palash sir. This is not of any student, this is my dincharya, my dear children. I had developing this kind of revision without open the book. Without open the book, my dear children, I am revision all the chapters of maths, all the chapter of science, social science, Hindi, word to word. So please, my dear children, this is these kind of discussion for only for yours, only for you. Okay. Or these statement dream, believe, achieves. Whenever I was in class 10, so that in before one day of before board examination, 1 week ago before board examination, these thought, my dear, I had seen my dear in my notebook. Okay, so I am feeling that thought continuously. Dream, believe, achieve. और जो dream था वो achieve हुआ. Okay, we are moving forward. Yes or no? So practice is practice, practice. Dot structure of carbon dioxide. This is your doubt, na bachcha? I know. Dot structure of carbon. Carbon have atomic number is 4, oxygen has 6, and nitrogen have 5, hydrogen have 1. Outermost shell, outermost shell, outermost shell. Beta देखो ये outermost shell. Vivek, what you do, my dear?
Sir,
Which kind of posture of your beta? Sitting carefully. A plus B minus B. Formula.
Square minus B square.
A square minus B square.
A square minus B square plus 2U.
No, bacha, it is a wrong form. It is a wrong. It is a plus B and A minus B. It is a right formula. Okay. It is atomic number. Okay. First dot structure we are discussing the name is called carbon dioxide. Some students write like that. It is a wrong module. बड़ा सा पढ़ो. Okay. Getting it is not a good way. It's a wrong way. Okay. It's carbon dioxide. So carbon. How many outermost shell orbit? How many outermost electrons they have?
4.
4. So electron we are, my dear, representing by cross. What you do? See here, bacha. Oxygen have how many electrons? 6. So whatever the center, my dear, whatever our main, we can say it is a main. It is a main atom. Carbon is a main atom. Yes or no? Because the name of the chapter is what carbon के compounds, carbon के allotropes. Center वाला हमेशा like that, okay? Oxygen, how many atoms? So how many atoms, my dear? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, oxygen. Piyush, never preceding the page. Same thing. All right. Same thing. 6, 4, 5, 6. All atoms required apart except of these one. They need, my dear, it is a, my dear, duplet. Louder with me. Hydrogen is only
Hydrogen is only
duplet atom.
atom.
Duplet means it only requires one more atom. इसको सिर्फ इसको एक इलेक्ट्रॉन और चाहिए. They only needs one electron apart from these. So carbon requires 4 more electron, oxygen requires 4 more electron, nitrogen requires 5 to 3 चाहिए. 6 है ना? Sorry. 6 है तो how many? 2. 8. मतलब the means is for, my dear, 8 होना चाहिए completely. All right. 4 plus 4 8. 6 plus 2 8. 5 plus what? 3. सर क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है कि 4 2 3? इसके पीछे जो साइंस है वो हैगा माय डियर चिल्ड्रन इज व्हाट? concept of octet. Octet means what? अष्टक. बेटा पीयूष, all right, you want water? boil water. कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ ऑक्टेट की वजह से. ओके, हाइड्रोजन इज ओनली द ड्यूप्लेट, दे ओनली नीड्स माय डियर वन मोर इलेक्ट्रॉन, सिर्फ एक इलेक्ट्रॉन चाहिए. आर यू गेटिंग? हु इज द फर्स्ट मेंबर ऑफ पीरियोडिक टेबल? शुरू हाइड्रोजन. यस और नो? यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
बोलो पेज इन पीरियोडिक टेबल.
Periodic table.
फर्स्ट एलिमेंट
First element
नेम इज,
is hydrogen.
never skip it, never forget it. कार्बन में 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन और मांगता, तो कार्बन हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स? 4 they have already, but they need 4 more electrons. So how they are covering? So like 4 they have already? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So like these one, okay? I make like in butterfly, but it is a different kind of butterfly, okay? And these we talks about oxygen. So oxygen requires how many electrons? 2. That means 6 plus 2 8. So oxygen requires total number of electrons what? 8. So oxygen 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6. Once again 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 6. They need 2 more. So oxygen are complete their electrons, my dear children, complete their octets. They required, देखो 6 तो उसके पास पहले से ही है. अरे yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what they do? It is like these. And another oxygen also like 6 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6. So these two are free. Okay, gettings? Bond diagram. How the bond diagram is formed, my dear children? Yes?
Okay, sir. You know,
हाँ बॉन्ड डायग्राम बेटा सी पीयूष डेफिनेटली गिव्स यू माय डियर. देखो बेटा, ऑक्सीजन आर शेयर द इलेक्ट्रॉन माय डियर सिंगल पेयर. यस और नो? ऑक्सीजन एंड कार्बन आर शेयरिंग द इलेक्ट्रॉन माय डियर इज व्हाट? सिंगल. तो इन दोनों के बीच में रिश्ता कैसा होगा? ऑक्सीजन एंड कार्बन के बीच में एक रिश्ता, दूसरा रिश्ता इज व्हाट? लाइक दिस वन. ओके, 2 रिश्ते इनके पास में. It is a bond diagram. Okay, oxygen and carbon. Similarly here also carbon and oxygen. Carbon and oxygen, my dear, have 2 bonds. Next, we discussing next is what? NH, NO2,
yes, sir.
NH3 we are discussing. See, NH3. Someone guess is the formula which one?
Sir,
Sir, nitrogen.
sir. Ammonia.
Ammonia. It is a gas. Ammonia is a gas. If someone have single bond, let's suppose कार्बन और कार्बन के बीच, कार्बन ऑक्सीजन के बीच there is a single bond. So what is the name of single bond? We are discussing the previous class. My question of only Radhika. Single bond is called what? All students are single appearing in the board examination. Very beautiful name. ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है? उस रिश्ते का नाम बताओ क्या? What is the name of the relation? Suru, respond.
Sir, common.
Covalent bond. What a level of my okay. So bachcha, the name is what? Is what? Covalent bond. It is what? Covalent bond. Piyush, you are my student, so please tell me what is the name of this bond are?
Sir, double bond.
Double bond.
No, sir, double covalent bond.
Double covalent bond. Double covalent bond. Let's suppose first of all these diagram. Nitrogen, how many atomic numbers? 5. They needs three more what? Electrons. The girls. Okay. If not you responded, so I said no. The girls. So who gives three? Who gives 3 electron?
Sir.
Who said hydrogen? You. Oh, that's very wonderful answer. Nitrogen. Where is nitrogen located? Surru. In the middle. Nitrogen has 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And hydrogen nitrogen have already 5. 2 plus 2 4 plus 5. They need 3. So what they do? सब खा लेगा. Okay, like that. सारे इलेक्ट्रॉन इसने ले लिए. Yes or no? गोला खेल लिया हमने. गोला. Like so, once we talk about hydrogen needs, they are a duplet. देखो duplet means we can duplicate. Duplet means what? Two things. 2 electrons. They have already one. Oh, they looking them. Okay, here. Okay, they have already in my dear near one more electron. So what they do? What they do? We are making it right. hydrogen balance. Hydrogen is stable, बच्चों.
Yes, sir.
Nitrogen is stable. 2 plus 2 4 plus 5 6 7 8. Next is what? CH4. I think we are discussing yesterday, no? Hey, CH is the formula of which one? दम है. दिमाग में. We are moving forward. Draw it. Doubts all? Why are you, Mary, removing your sweater? Jalan? Which kind of jalan, my dear? Just Hmm. What? Completely right. Very nice. Nitrate is what? NH4 is a nitrate. Ammonia is NH3. गैस करो कि अमोनिया मेटल है कि नॉन मेटल है, नोबल गैस है ये.
Sir, ammonia.
Ammonia, it is a metal, non-metal, या noble gas.
Sir,
What is?
noble gas.
It is a noble gas. Okay. It is belongs to which group? Which table? Starting from P.
Periodic.
Periodic table. Right, figure out that. And noble gas. It is a noble gas. Xenium, neon. अरे हाँ माय डियर पीयूष.
नमस्ते सर.
जी जी. ये दिस इज NH3.
इसकी आगे आवाज चल रही है.
पापा मेरे को मना कर रहे थे, मेरे पापा ने मुझको साफ मना कर दी थी नहीं जाना, कहीं पे नहीं भेजना। इससे तो बोलो एक बार तो बात करो मैं, वो आदमी मेरी भी नहीं करते इसमें। अरे मम्मी तो मान जाएगी, दीदी भी जा रही है, मम्मी तो मान जाएगी कि मम्मी को पैसे को पता है 100 रुपये भी नहीं होते, 3,000 रुपये लिए हैं किसी से आज, इसीलिए पैसों की दिक्कत है। नहीं तो फिर तो मैं तो आ जाती है, खुद ही आ जाती। मम्मी भी मेरे को नहीं बोलती कुछ, पैसों की तो दिक्कत है, पापा के पास मम्मी को मना ही लेगी पैसे। मम्मी बोलती है वो खाएंगे पिएंगे वहाँ पे बिना पैसे के जाएंगे तो अपन ऐसे चलेंगे, तो मम्मी को तो देखते ही मम्मी बोले थे पापा के साथ चलते, तो फिर तू देख लेगा, तू ऐसे चलेगी तो मम्मी पापा के साथ चलेगी तो ये तो अपन नए साल पे या अपन 4 तारीख को मिला चलेंगे ना, तब चलेंगे, तब इंजॉय करेंगे। मैं क्या करूँ, टाइम पे पैसे वैसे चल मम्मी नहीं जाने देगी ना, मम्मी तो मम्मी है ना, मम्मी को क्या बस मम्मी यही तो बोल रही थी यहाँ तक देख देख के आ जाओगे बस। यार मैं क्या करूँ, मेरा मिले तो नहीं मानेगी मम्मी, 10 मिनट के लिए पूछना ही नहीं, कसम तो तेरी कसम से नहीं मानेगी, क्योंकि पैसों की दिक्कत है, पैसों की नहीं होती है तो अंकल ऐसा चलते तो वैसे चल जाएंगे, तो पैसे भी जाएंगे। बात मान लेती दीदी है कुछ खाए पिए तेरे को भी दे दीदी मेरे साथ हम 2 ही जाएंगे। हाँ वही मम्मी नहीं जाने देगी, पर मम्मी जाएंगे सास में तो रहना ही देगी, मम्मी नहीं जाने देगी, मेरे घर वाले भी खुद नहीं समझते हैं। साढ़े 6 बजे छुट्टी करनी है, 4:30 बजे ड्रेसिंग होगी, ड्रेसिंग सर हमारी छुट्टी हुई ना फिर पक्का पापा को फोन करेंगे, वो लग रहा है अंदर ही बैठ के कुछ हमारे पास एंजाइटी हो रही थी। नीचे से पैंट काटी कोचिंग आज मैंने उतनी लेकिन मेरे घर वाले ने मुझे कोई कोई काम बोला ना तो नहीं करूँगी। सर ने क्या बोला था डिस्ट्रैक्शन नहीं देनी, नहीं करना था, पढ़ने दो घर पे, सीधी सी बात। तो मेरे घर वालों को मुझसे ये बात बोलो नहीं कर रही काम, बहुत हो गया काम नहीं कर रही, पेपर आ रहे हैं। तुम बोलेंगे ना तो पापा और बोलना नहीं नहीं नहीं, अगर ऐसे बोलेंगे ना कि काम के टाइम पे पढ़ाई आ जाती है, मेरा सर से बात करो, बात मेरे सर से बात कर लो, मेरे को मत परेशान करो, है ना। तो करूँगी ये काम कर, आज भी मैंने घर पे काम करी, मेरे को बताया गया मैंने अपने को काम कर नहीं करूँगी बाहर काम नहीं करनी। आज भी शाम को मैं ना फट से पढ़ने बैठा हूँ, अपना काम करने लगाऊंगी। ज़्यादा मैं एक काम कर दूँगी, अगर सर ने बोला है, ऐसे प्रॉमिस कर रहा है कि मुझे खुद पे काम करना पड़ेगा, मुझे पढ़ाई में आगे बढ़ना पड़ेगा, तो मैं बढ़ूँगी और मैं पढ़ूँगी, लेकिन मैं काम नहीं करूँगी क्योंकि मुझे टाइम वेस्ट हो रहा है ना काम पर। घर में यही तो मम्मी पापा, सही बात। मम्मी पापा है, छोटे बहन कर लेंगे, 3 जने के कम हो जाएंगे झाड़ू को तुम्हें, हमारे लोग नहीं होते तो अपन ऐसे फूल रहने वाला फूल का बना के अभी पर अपन को ये नहीं पता ना सेंटर में सोडियम के पास कितने वो रहते हैं एटम्स, तो सोडियम को रहने देते ना, पर नाइट्रोजन को तो बनाते हैं, कितना नाइट्रोजन Na2 नाइट्रोजन के पास कितने रहते हैं 5।
Oh my God. My dear children, tomorrow we are moving forward in this subject and we are solving the more questions, more topics. The next topics we are discussing loudly with me: saturated compounds,
Saturated compounds,
unsaturated compounds,
unsaturated compounds,
okay, functional group,
functional group,
preparation of methanol,
preparation of methanol,
preparation of ethanol,
preparation of ethanol,
esterification process.
esterification process.
Alright, so these topics are remaining, or these topics are most weightage.
Sir, periodic table नहीं बता
Periodic table is not important for board examination. The reference of it is important for my NEET examination point of view. If you are if you are, my dear, appearing, if you are thinking I am just appearing the examination, so that point of view is important. CBSE level and MP4 table, no any kind of level, my dear. Periodic tables are coming, my dear. On the basis of periodic table, I am giving information in the session. Periodic table 114 elements is there, my dear. It is important for the next year. Okay, you follow me. If you follow me, then you achievable. What is your desire? What is your desire in board examination percent? 90. Pakka. Big dream. Big dream. So big effort. Yes or no? क्योंकि LHS equals to
RHS.
yes or no? थिंक बिग, सो थिंक नो पेन नो गेन, सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट। आपको पहाड़ नहीं तोड़ना है जाके, आप बस 5 बजे जाकर उठो आज से। सो इफ यू अगर 85% आ रहा होगा तो उसमें 5% की बढ़ोतरी हो जाएगी मॉर्निंग में उठने से। 90 प्लस आ रहे होंगे, 90% तो 95 हो जाएंगे। बस 2 महीने, ओनली 2 मंथ माय डियर चिल्ड्रंस। All the friend circles is moving towards you. Okay, towards you, towards you, towards you. Relatives गुणगान करेंगे, बखान कर देंगे. Okay, so please my dear children, make something big, because you are the child of number 1 yaar. Yes or no? Number 1 family, number 1 family, number 1 relatives, number 1 teacher. Yes or no? देखिए ये समझ में डाउट है, नो 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 लाइक समझ डाउट। ओके, नहीं व्हाट एवर आई एम टीचिंग, सो इट इज समथिंग, कुछ पढ़ाना आता है थोड़ा बहुत। चलिए, जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम। यू कैन डू एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग। आप सब कर सकते हो, लेकिन सब करने के लिए आपको उठना पड़ेगा मॉर्निंग में। जल्दी उठो, ओके, अपनी तैयारी को नरिश करो। DPP was tomorrow is definitely examination is conducting, my dear children. 4:30 coming, all of you. Chapter number is surface in volume, complete revision. All questions solving 5 times. Okay, all questions of 11 chapter, 12 chapter. 11 is surface in volume. Clutch. 12. My DPP. Your DPP. I'm telling you, your DPP.